Vikings were not who movies made them.
What we think we know is mostly myth.
The truth is far more interesting.
The Vikings came from Scandinavia, a land of ice, forests, and harsh seas. Life here forged resilient people.
The Viking Age began around the year 793.
Their arrival shocked medieval Europe.
To many, they seemed unstoppable.
But fear shaped their reputation more than facts. Movies taught us that Vikings wore horned helmets. But this image is pure fiction.
There is no historical evidence for horned helmets in battle.
Another myth painted Vikings as mindless savages. As if violence was all they knew. This image came from fear, not facts.
Most accounts were written by their enemies.
Fear turned raiders into monsters.
Chaos became their legend.
But the reality tells a very different story.
Real Vikings wore practical armor, not fantasy costumes.
Most relied on helmets, shields, and chainmail.
Their shields were their greatest defense.
Shield walls required discipline and trust.
Viking weapons were simple and deadly. Axes were common, versatile, and devastating.
Spears dominated the battlefield.
Swords were rare, valuable, and symbolic.
Viking tactics favored speed and surprise.
They struck fast, then disappeared.
Viking power truly came from the sea.
Their longships were fast, light, and deadly. They could sail oceans and shallow rivers.
No walls could stop them. Raids were fast and carefully planned.
Surprise was their greatest weapon.
They struck before defenders could react.
Then they vanished just as quickly.
This mobility made them unpredictable.
And fear spread faster than their ships.
Vikings were more than raiders.
Most were farmers, traders, and craftsmen.
Raiding was only part of their lives.
Viking women held power and independence. They could own property and seek divorce.
Some women may have fought as warriors.
Vikings lived under law, not chaos.
Disputes were settled publicly.
Their culture valued honor, loyalty, and reputation.
Violence was controlled, not mindless.
The Vikings did not just raid Europe, they reshaped it.
They founded towns that still exist today.
Viking trade connected distant worlds. They exchanged goods, ideas, and cultures.
Vikings explored far beyond Europe.
They reached Iceland, Greenland, and beyond. They were among the first Europeans to reach North America. Their navigation skills were extraordinary. Their legacy still shapes the modern world. These skills changed exploration forever.
So why do Vikings still matter today?
Because history misunderstood them.
Fear shaped their legend more than facts. But beneath the myths were skilled warriors and traders. They adapted to harsh worlds and survived. Their strength came from discipline, not chaos. From warfare to exploration, they changed history. They were not monsters. They were complex people, shaped by their world.
And their true story is even more powerful than the myth.
The Vikings were not defined by myth, but by impact. Their story deserves to be remembered accurately. Because history is more powerful than legend.
If you enjoy history like this, please like the video and subscribe.
Watch the next video on this channel.